Hi Aces! Welcome back to our Vegas Aces YouTube channel. My name is Angela Marie and I'll be your host for today. In this video, we'll be discussing the field bet on craps. But before we get started, I just want to remind you to like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you'll always be notified of our latest videos and live streams. Now, on with the show. Field bets are probably the easiest bet on a craps table, which is why this video is so short. The field bet can be placed at any time. This is a one-roll bet that on the next roll of the dice, if a 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, or 12 roll, you win. If a 5, 6, 7, or an 8 roll, the bet will lose. If a 3, 4, 9, 10, or 11 hit, the player will be paid even money. If a 2 or a 12 roll, the player will win 2 to 1. Depending on what casino you're in, a 12 could also pay 3 to 1. If the 12 pays 3 to 1, then the house edge for the field is 2.78%, which is better for the player. If the 12 pays 2 to 1, then the house edge goes up to 5.56%. Want to feel like a high roller? This 2-inch acrylic red jumbo dice is perfect for showcasing your love of the game. Whether used as a bold decoration, an eye-catching desk accessory, or even just to roll in style, this jumbo dice is a must-have for any craps enthusiast. Grab yours today and bring the excitement home. Now, it's important to understand that this bet is what's called a self-service bet, which means you place the bet in the field. If it wins, the dealer's only responsibility is to pay it. You are responsible to pick up your winnings, or else it will go for the next roll and possibly lose. Remember, a dealer's keeping track of possibly 7 or 8 players, so they can't keep track of who played what in the field. The dealer only pays or takes it. So it's important to always pay attention to the game and to where your bets are at all times, and not be distracted by cocktails, talking to friends, or that naked drunk guy dancing on the blackjack table. Remember, this is your money on the table and you don't want to lose track of it. Anyway, that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much, Aces, for joining me today to learn about the field bet on craps. Just a quick reminder, Vegas Aces is supported by viewers like you. Click that hype button to help us get our content out there and grow as a channel, or donate. Donations make it possible for all these videos to be brought to you for free. If you think this video is worth more than $0, then please donate the amount you feel it's worth by clicking the link in the description below. If you can't afford to financially support us, then help us update our World Toke board. This shows the Toke numbers for casino dealers around the world. But we can't update these numbers if people don't contribute. You can anonymously send us your Toke numbers via our Toke line or by emailing heather@vegas-aces.com. Also, if you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Do you want to see our content 5 days early? Subscribe to us on Patreon, where we give our patrons exclusive early access and coach new dealers on how to get into the industry. Our business also helps casino game inventors with bringing their idea to fruition and onto the casino floor. And if you're looking for even more content, check out the other videos here on the screen. We also offer interview transcripts, flashcards, dealer instruction manuals, the world's first online toke board, and so much more at our website, vegas-aces.com. You can find all these links in the description below. Until the next time, stay lucky, Aces.